Welcome to our guide on how to use the latest iPhone update. Get ready to unlock some incredible new features. First up, let's dive into how to download and install the update. Head to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. This update comes packed with exciting features. From enhanced privacy settings to new widgets, there's a lot to explore. Let's take a look at the enhanced widgets. You can now customize your home screen more effectively with different sizes and styles. Privacy is crucial. This update includes new features to enhance your security settings, ensuring your data stays protected. The Control Center has gotten a makeover. Let's navigate through the new layout and see how to access your favorite settings faster. To make the most of your battery life, check out the new settings designed to optimize performance and extend your usage. Want to personalize your home screen further? Here are some tips to make it truly yours with custom layouts and app placements. If you run into any hiccups post-update, don't worry. Here are some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Thank you for watching. We hope you're excited to explore the new features of your iPhone update. Until next time.